we're back.
Yep, we're back.
We got the transmission out, as you saw.
Yep.
So we got that out, and then we just rode that high all night and didn't do anything past that.
Yeah,
so,
that was great.
Yeah, it felt really good, and we totally got it out in 55 minutes.
Yeah.
Which
it was good.
makes me pretty happy.
Yeah, but now we have the fun part, which is the interior.
Yeah, now we got to get this interior out. Seats, I don't anticipate. I still got the battery hooked up so that we can move those back and forth. Seats will be fine.
Yeah.
And honestly, I don't...
It's going to be the excessive amount of trim that we have to pull off to get the carpet out. That's not going to be fun.
I don't think there's a lot of trim, honestly. I've had this like all out.
Yeah.
Because I've had to get the ECU out. So
yeah,
I've had like...
I just know from experience when it comes to pulling the whole carpet out, there always ends up being a lot more
malarkey.
A lot more to take out than you think. It seems like it's just right here, and then you're like, oh, and then I need to take that out, and then that, and then to get that out, I have to pull that out, and to pull that out. So
yeah, I've been saying I was going to dye this carpet forever. I'm doing it now.
We'll get it.
I'm doing it. My car, I want black carpet. It just looks better.
It's all nuts and bolts. It'll be fine.
Yeah, eventually.
We'll get it.
So yeah, we're gonna start ripping apart the interior here. We're gonna set up a camera, and you can come along for the ride. I'm gonna also try and take apart some dash parts to see how close we can get to the heater stuff.
Yeah.
I told Sam Spaghetti Fingers here that he's gonna
see if I can weasel my way up into the dash there and get that.
If there's anybody out there that can do it.
That door motor, yeah.
He can do it. So yeah, we're gonna get after it.
We're gonna dive into the interior.
We're gonna dive in. So the seats, carpet, that came out pretty nicely. Honestly, with the two of us,
yeah,
not an issue at all. So we're gonna keep on keeping on and try and take some more stuff off to try and see what else we can get at to free up space for the tunnel. Okay, so
Adam, the dash has to come out.
I've convinced Samuel that this can be done. There's multiple form threads.
But actually, Adam, the dash has to come out.
Oh God! And I have
we need to pull the dash out.
I have a severe phobia of removing the dash because every time I've done this job, it just never comes. It never goes back.
Yeah, but we have to pull the dash out.
I'm starting to think that Sam may be right.
The tunnel goes a lot more forward underneath the dash.
It's not about the tunnel though. It's about the heat.
No, it's both. It's both. The tunnel goes a lot more forward underneath the dash than we thought. There may be a way to do it without pulling the dash, but you also have a major issue with your heater controls, which
I don't have heat, and it's because the air mix servo.
Yeah.
According to our diagnostics, the air mix servo is the problem. The issue with the air mix servo, which I'll take you inside the vehicle right now, is that it is located. Sam, if you could please operate the.
Oh my God! Are we asking me to do this now?
It is right in there. And the dash bar is directly where that servo is.
I don't think that's where it is, by the way, but okay.
You don't think that's where it is?
I think it's underneath.
I pulled up a picture of where
it is.
I think
it's in the bottom.
But
Sam, I think it's in the back.
We're not. I mean, we're doing minimal.
I think to fix this issue, we have to pull the dash, we have to pull the heater box out, and we have to pull the mode door motor servo out.
Yeah, I don't know yet, but looking like the dash cover itself, I mean, definitely.
Yeah, I think the whole thing has to come out.
Okay, Sam, obviously we know what Sam thinks, but.
Yeah, well, that's the argument that we're having now, is that I think everything has to come out. Just take it all out. Take it all out.
All right.
We're in the midst of sneaking in the tunnel underneath the dash, or we could just take the whole dash out and not have to deal with it. We also have a heater box issue, which requires the entire dash to come out to get the heater box out to change the servo motor.
All right, we're going to keep arguing about this. I want you to like,
just
comment,
take it all
and
out.
Subscribe.
Take it all out.
Drop a comment if you think that I should
tell them to stop being a Nancy and take everything out.
Stand my ground and stop pulling the dash, or go with Sam and pull the dash.
Take it all out.
Like, comment, subscribe.
Take it all out.
Thanks for watching.
We'll
see you next Friday.